was up in a bucket truck getting ready to place the light. I only made it about 13 feet up in the air where the boom snapped. The bucket broke off, throwing me to the ground, causing me to be a T5, T6 incomplete spinal cord injury.
When we got to the hospital, we had no idea what was going to happen.
It was heartbreaking when it happened. Sorry.
It was pretty scary, pretty devastating.
When we found out what his diagnosis was, that was kind of hard to accept.
I would be stuck in a wheelchair. I wasn't going to gain back sensation. I wasn't going to gain back feeling. That was the original surgeon that talked to me, which was heartbreaking. I had a lot of family there and friends there that were able to calm me down and convince me that, you know, that it wasn't the end. You know, there was a chance for recovery. There was things I could do. My dad looked up every bit of stem cell research there was, what was out there, talked to my primary doctor who was familiar with Stem Cell Inc., which he suggested was the safest and best trial to be involved in. Talking about what the other patients had gone through so far and reading a little bit about it convinced me it was worth giving it a shot, you know, and what possibly it would do for other people with spinal cord injuries. If I had the opportunity, I owed it to myself and to anyone else to at least try it. They wanted to make sure it was safe, but that I most likely wanted to improve. So when it did start to help me, I was shocked. Almost immediately after the transplant, I had gained some sensation back in my right foot. Off and on, I'll feel like a new spot on my knee or my shin.
Making this kind of progress is the most amazing feeling you could, you know, ask for.
StemCells Inc. being controlled by a U.S. company and the way they were following up with their patients just made me feel safer.
It's been a year and a couple months in September, and everything we've seen is positive. Lance is healthy.
Where the doctors told me they thought things would slow down or back off, for me they've continued. I haven't lost anything that I've gained back. I continue to get sensation throughout my legs, my core.
The positive impact that they have on one person's lives is very huge.
I intend on walking out of here one day on my own free will. I think I've been given all the opportunities available to do that. I've taken advantage of it, and I'm going to continue to over my lifetime until I'm back to up and walking around on my own. Every time something changes, you know, it might be something minimal, but it's a huge impact to me. It's just amazing. You know, it's supposed to be impossible, and it's happening.